Here we are going to start with our lecture, and that is lycopodium. In last meeting, a few minutes ago, we had completed our portion which we had completed in last lecture. Okay, so we had revised our portion a lot. So we were talking about desire for sweet things. There are a lot of desire for sweet things. Food taste is sour. Okay, they feel there is sourness in their food. Okay, there are sour irritations, great weakness of a digestion. If you are going to understand weakness of a digestion, you can prescribe lycopodium very precisely. Okay, there is lot of digestion problem. There is weakness of a digestion, bulimia with much bloating. They feel there is a lot of bloating sensation, so there is formation of flatus, a lot of flatus is there. After eating, pressure in stomach, there is lot of pressure in the stomach. And with bitter taste in mouth, there is bitter sour taste in the mouth. Eating ever so little creates fullness. It is called as easy satiety. Okay, they really eat 2 or 3 bites and they feel full. Okay, little so little creates a fullness. They eat 2 or 3 bites. Within 2 bites they feel I am really very full, and before that they feel I'm really very hungry. I'm really very hungry. They will sit on a table and they'll eat only 2 or 3 bites, and they feel okay. Now I'm fine. I don't want to eat anything. They are really very full. Okay, so eating ever so little creates fullness, and this is called as easy satiety. Okay, you will get a remedy, that is your lycopodium, easy satiety. They are going to eat really very short, very few bites, and they feel that I'm completely full. Cannot eat oysters, rolling of flatulence. This patient cannot eat oyster. Now oyster, um, and this is oh, in our Indian culture, nobody eats oysters a lot, but in many countries, oyster has been eaten, and these people, this lycopodium can cover up allergies about the oysters. Okay, there is rolling of flatulence like China, carbovage, wakes at night feeling hungry. They feel really hungry. Okay, at night they feel really very hungry. We had talked about it. Soranum is also a remedy where they feel really very hungry at night. They will wake at night, they feel hungry. I remember a case I told you also last time, that these peoples, they have strong desire to eat at night. They will get up and they will eat. We had one patient like that who get up for eating something. He eats and then he again sleeps. Okay, and there we had prescribed him this soranum, and which cover up his problems. They wakes at night, feel hungry. There are lot of hiccups, incomplete burning and irritations, rise only to pharynx. There burns for hours. Okay, there is incomplete burning, lot of burning, incomplete burning. Irritations rise only to pharynx. There burn for hours. Irritation, something has been coming up from stomach to the mouth. Okay, and it will come up only to the pharynx, and there is burning. There is burn for hours. Likes to take food and drink hot. These people like to take everything in a hot. Sinking sensation in abdomen, and it get worse at night. Okay, abdomen, immediately after a light meal, abdomen is bloated and full. For this you can prescribe carbovage, China, lycopodium are the great remedies such bloatedness and fullness of abdomen. Okay, there is immediately after eating they feel full. Okay, after light meal their abdomen will be bloated. Constant sense of fermentation in the abdomen, and they feel that everything will get fermented in their abdomen, like yeast working. Okay, their abdomen is nothing just like yeast is working. Upper left side hernia, right side. Okay, upper left side, like yeast is working, and hernia on right side. Hernia, you can cover up hernia with these remedies. Okay, liver is really very sensitive. brown spot on abdomen, dropsy due to hepatic disease, hepatitis, atrophic from nutmeg liver. Okay, there is hepatitis. I had talked in first lecture also. There are brown spot on abdomen, dropsy due to hepatic diseases. There is hepatitis or hepatic diseases. You are going to get in this lycopodium. Lycopodium have that capacity to cover up these hepatic diseases. You can treat hepatitis with it. Atrophic from nutmeg liver, pain shooting across the lower abdomen from right to left. Okay, so such hepatic problem you are going to get in this remedy. Stools and diarrhea, inactive intestinal canal, ineffectual urging. Stools are hard, difficult, small, and incomplete. There are hemorrhoids, very painful to touch, aching with muriatic acid. Okay, diarrhea is there, inactivity of the intestinal canal is there. You are going to get inactivity in the intestinal canal. Ineffectual urging, these people will get that ineffectual urging. Okay, they will get urge but they will not pass the stool many a time. Okay, so you will get that inactive intestinal canal. Peristaltic movement are not really very good. Okay, so that they will not pass stool very easily. There is diarrhea and also there is constipation. Okay, stools are hard, difficult, small, and incomplete. Stools are really very hard, they really need to strain, and they are really very difficult, small, and incomplete. Hemorrhoids, very painful to touch, just like your muriatic acid. Hemorrhoids, for the hemorrhoids, pain to touch is really you can say a great remedy for hemorrhoids. Okay, urine, pain in back before urinating, seizures after flow. Okay, pain in back before urinating, it gets seizures after flow, slow in coming, urine will not come very fastly, must strain, they really need to strain on the urine. There is retention, there is pyluria during night, heavy red sediments. Okay, heavy red sediments, there is hematuria, child cries before urinating, just like your bromium. Okay, child cries before urinating. This is the great remedy for your renal stone. Okay, so you will get such similar symptoms like renal stone symptomatology. Okay, so there is pain in back before urinating, seizures after flow, slow incoming, must strain, there is retention, pyluria during the night, heavy red sediments are there, child cries before urinating. Male, no erectile power. Yes. Okay, 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 okay. I got it. I got it. Okay. Komal, Priyanka, Prasad, Juhi, and Suchita. You should enter earlier. Okay. You should not be late for meeting. जैसे आपको लिंक मिल जाता है आप लोग एंटर किया करो बिकॉज इट विल गेट डिस्टर्बेंसेस इन योर लेक्चर्स. Okay. I am not shouting at you. I am just telling you that you should enter at time, so you will not disturb the whole class. So we are again moving towards our urinary complaints of lycopodium. I told you that you can use this remedy for your renal stone also. Okay, and you not only use, but this is a great remedy for a renal stone. Okay, then male, there is no erectile power. There is impotency. Premature emissions is there. Premature emission, caladium, selenium, agnus are the remedies for this. Okay, selenium, many of you know about the selenium, right? This is the greatest remedy for your hair fall. Agnus castus, Agnus castus also have a great results with that sterility, and infertility. In both the way you can use this remedy for both. Okay, enlarged prostate is there and there are condylomatas. Female menses are too late, last too long, too profuse, and vagina is really very dry, caution become painful, right ovarian pains are there, varicose vein of pudenda. Okay, there is varicosity of the pudenda. Leukorrhea is acrid with burning in vagina. There is lot of leukorrhea which is really very acrid and there is lot of burning in vagina and there is a dryness of vagina, so caution become painful. Discharges of blood from genitals during stools. Okay, There is discharges of blood from genitals during stools. There is right ovarian pain. Okay. Then menses are too late, last too long, and they are too profuse. Okay. एक तो बार वो menses they are not on time, they are too late. Okay. They last too long. Long lasting menses are there and they are too profuse. Respiratory, there is tickling cough, dyspnea, tensive constrictive burning pain in the chest. Tickling cough, continuous tickling is there, so patient need to cough a lot. There is dyspnea, there is difficult breathing, tensive constrictive burning pain in the chest. Okay. There is tension in the chest, constrictions in the chest, burning pain in the chest. Patient feel that burning in the chest. Cough get worse going downhill. Okay. Cough get worse going down to hill. Cough is deep, hollow. Expectorations are gray, thick, bloody, and purulent. Salty expectorations are there. Try to understand that expectorations. Okay, they are grayish. So there is you can say there is bacterial invasion is there. They are really very thick, bloody expectorations and purulent expectoration. Okay, pus collection can be there. You can use arsenic, phosphorus, and pulsatilla for such things. Okay. Cough is deep and hollow. Night cough is there. Night cough is due to many a time when patient lies down, patient coughs. Okay. Lying down aggravation is there in lycopodium. Night cough is there. Tickling as from sulfur fumes. Okay. Tickling as from sulfur fumes. Catarrh of the chest in infants, seems full of mucus rattling. Neglected pneumonia, this lycopodium is really a great remedy in your neglected cases of pneumonia. Then catarrh of chest in infants seems full of mucus rattling. For such condition, you can think about antim tart also. Okay. There is great dyspnea, flying of LNSI, and presence of mucus rails. If you are going to auscultate such patient, you will get that mucus rails. Heart, there is aneurysm. Barretta carb you can use for aneurysm. Aneurysm of aorta. If you don't know, you should read your books. Okay. Aneurysm of aorta. There is aortic diseases. Aortic diseases are there. Palpitations at night, cannot lie on left side. This patient cannot lie on left side. They cannot take any pressure on their heart. Okay. Back, burning between scapulae as if hot coals. Pain in small of back. There is burning between scapulae. There is lot of pain, burning pain in between scapulae. Okay. As of hot of coals, pain in small of back. Extremities, numbness, also drawing and tearing in limbs, especially while at rest or at night. Heaviness of arm, tearing in shoulder and elbow joint. One foot is hot and other is cold. Chronic gout with chalky deposits in joints. Profuse sweat of the feet. Pain in heel on treading as from pebble. Okay. Try to understand this extremities. Extremities complaints are really very important in your lycopodium, because we prescribe many a time extremities in this fever. Okay. In this remedy, so in these patients. Okay. On basis of extremity we prescribe lycopodium many a time. Okay. So talking about extremities, there is numbness. Okay. There is numbness, also drawing and tearing in limbs. There is numbness, numb feeling are there. There is drawing and tearing pain in the limbs, especially while at rest or at night, when patient is lying down, and when patient is taking rest, at that time you will get going to get that numbness and drawing pain. Heaviness of a arm, tearing in shoulder and elbow joints. Tearing pain in shoulder and elbow joints. One foot is hot and other is cold. This is your lycopodium. One is hot and other is cold. That is about foot is your lycopodium. One cheek is hot and another cheek is red and cold. Which is that remedy? What about cheeks? One cheek is red and hot and other is cold. Can you tell me that remedy? Yes, that was chamomilla. Okay. You should read about chamomilla, Sina. I told you in a last to last lecture only that you have to read your syllabus very carefully. because we don't know when you're going to give your exams. Okay, so you should be prepared very thoroughly. So one foot is hot and other is cold. Chronic gout with chalky deposits in joint. Profuse sweat of the feet. Pain in heel on treading, as from a pebble. Okay. Pain in heel on treading as a pebble. Painful callosities on the soles. Uh, I'll I'll give you idea. I had prescribed this remedy in a patient who are having pain in the soles. Okay, pain in the soles, but there are burning pain in the soles. Okay, lot of burning pain in the soles, and I find that fingers and toes are contracted. Okay, as if it has been contracted at the point. So I had prescribed that remedy. Okay, this is again remedy for your sciatica. Worse on right sided sciatica. Lycopodium is the remedy. Even your lachesis is the remedy. Sciatica, a great remedies, and this will give you a really great idea about great cure in this patient. Okay, then cannot lie on painful side. This patient cannot lie on painful sides. Hands and feet are numb. Right foot is hot and left is cold. Okay, one is hot and one is cold, but right is hot and left is cold. Cramp in the calves and toes at night in the bed. Limbs goes to sleep. Okay, limbs goes to sleep. There is lot of weakness in the limbs, so it has been written that limbs goes to sleep. Twitching and jerking pain. Fever, chills between 3 to 4 p.m. Chills means feeling of chills. Okay, thandi vaste between 3 and 4 p.m. follows by sweat. Then there is a sweat and icy coldness. Feel as if lying on ice. They feel that they are lying on ice. One chill is followed by another, just like your calcarea, cilicia, and hipparself. Sleep is drowsy during day, starting in a sleep. Dreams of accidents. Okay, there is lot of dreams of accident. Skin ulcerates, abscesses beneath the skin. This is as I told you in a very first lecture that this remedy is really very great remedy, and it has that capacity to acts on many parts of your body. Okay, it is having a broad sphere of action. Okay, so there is and also a deep pathology. Okay, so this really become your polycrest remedy. Abscesses beneath the skin, worse on warm application. Okay, it get worse on warm application. Hives, worse on warmth. Violent itching, fissured eruptions, acne. This is again remedy for your acne. Chronic eczema associated with urinary and gastric and hepatic disorders. It bleed easily, skin become thick and indurated. Varicose vein, erectile tumors, brown spot, freckles worse on left side on the face and nose. I had got many patients of freckles, but it was my failure. Okay, I prescribed them many, I can say many remedies. I waited a lot. I have seen the, but I had not get cure in the freckles. Okay, if anyone get it, you should tell me, so that I will also improve my prescriptions. Okay, so this remedy has been used for freckles. It get worse on left side of the face and nose. Dry shrunken face. Okay, especially palms are really very dry. Hair become prematurely gray. Their hair become prematurely gray. For such premature graying, your acid force is also remedy. Prematurely graying of hair. There are dropsies, offensive secretions are there. Viscid and offensive perspiration is there, especially of feet and axilla. You can also use this remedy in psoriasis. Modalities are really very important. It get worse at right sided, from right to left, from above downward, 4 to 8 p.m., from heat or warm room, hot air, bed, warm application, except throat and stomach, which are better from warm drinks. Okay, throat and stomach they need warm drink, but otherwise warm application will aggravate them. Better by motion after midnight, from warm food and drink on getting cold, from being uncovered. Relationship, complementary. Lycopodium acts specially benefits after calcarea and sulfurs, iodum, graphitis, lachesis, and chelidonium. So this is all about your lycopodium. Anyone has any query in this remedy? Anyone has any query in this remedy? Yes, guys, anyone has any query in this remedy? So should we stop it over here? Can we stop it over here? Yes or no? Okay. Okay. So we will stop it over here and huh. Yes, Ashwini. Say. Okay. Uh, so there is melancholy. We will talk about mind of lycopodium. There is melancholy. There is lot of sadness. These people never want to be alone. Okay, they are afraid to be alone. They are really very coward. Coward म्हणजे भित्रे असतात. Okay, they are really very coward. Little things annoy. Small things they will really annoy them. They are. It is really very it irritates them. There is really annoyingness. Okay, they are really very sensitive. They are extremely sensitive, averse to undertaking new things. They never like to take any new thing, so they never like changes. They never like to go out. They will not like any changes. Okay, so averse to undertaking new things. Head is strong and haughty when sick. Okay, whenever these patients are really very sick, they really become stubborn. They are really very haughty, headstrong and haughty when sick. A loss of self confidence. There is no self confidence as such. Hurried when eating. These people eats when whenever they are going to eat something, they are really in a hurry. Why such things are given in mind? Because they are really very anxious. They are really very apprehensive. So they are hurried when eating. Constant fear of breaking down under the stress. There is constant fear of breaking down under the stress. There is apprehensiveness, weak memory, confused thoughts. They are so much confused that they spells or write wrong words and syllables. They are falling. There is failing of a brain power. They cannot memorize the things they have. They cannot understand the things. There is failing of a brain power, just like your anacardium, phosphorus, baryta cannot bear to see anything new. This patient cannot bear to see anything new, cannot read what he writes. Sadness in morning on awakening. Face. So this is about mental symptoms of your lycopodium. Anything else? Anything else? Anything else? Okay. So can we stop it over here? Can we stop it over here? Okay. 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 Okay.